Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to teach you how to program the what the wait how to program microbit uh tiny bit this tiny bit and this microbit and this table. This I the item needed we needed this first microbit like this microbit microbit cable cable micro USB and this uh, uh, transfer data. Okay, and this tiny bit. Yeah. Okay. So first, we go to the web we needed is this my code and teachable machine and in this lovely cardboard and you find the teachable robot like that lah. Okay, the code is this the code on start show count rooted earth then data research. Okay, how to use teachable machine? First, you must to this up rename the class this down and like this wait 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 uh oh wait guys wait guys this okay pokoknya this in here the webcam you click and this you photo and you give your sign for up like one finger or down two finger and so this the code diusahain ya the string this the class name the class name same like this is string up okay until down until here okay make save and go if you make a new project please you this go to setting and uh, uh, on this no pairing required anyone can connect like that lah go back okay this word code you can screenshot and you copy and paste okay 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 uh this for the how to transfer the data to uh, from laptop to microbit. First, you can to this. You go to pair which plug into laptop your USB laptop your plug and this you in here the input and you plug in here until red color. Okay. Okay, first you must connect device. Okay, this you minimize. Uh, okay. Wait, guys. Okay, downloading. Okay, already downloaded and log out and log in to here. This. Okay, and go to Teachable, and you click and paste uh, this uh, this what URL, Teachable machine dot with Google equal model and you okay. Okay, easy peasy guys, very easy, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay guys, very easy. Oh, I forgot for close your the camera. Yes, that or refresh again. Wait guys. Okay, this. Oh yeah, forgot this. Up, this, right, left. Oh yeah, forgot this. This. Like that lah. This for up and this for down. Down, down, and left and right. Okay, like that. And you can okay. I log out. Okay, maybe can connect this on the Bluetooth on the tiny bit. Here, Zizo. Maybe Zizo. Wait until the LED will be uh transition to maybe not okay maybe and you came to wait test okay
Good one. No, I don't. Why? Bukan checker. SMK lah, SMK. Emang mau SMK? Already.
okay guys jadi begitu the tiny bit project tiny bit uh, model and like that lah okay thank you assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh